So this is the view from the front top bedroom, which is now finished, of 16 Lower Meddon Street. This was all re-lime plastered, and the windows were all restored, they were all painted shut. That's an original with a radiator on. And this is the stud wall between the top two bedrooms that Adam put a rather lovely little glass window in. There was no fireplace, just a hole, so we got some flag tiles to do that one. This is the next part of the job. This is doing the stairwell, which Adam painted canary yellow, which needs to go white. It's terribly dusty. And this is the second top bedroom, the other side of the stud wall. And we've left an exposed stone wall. And again, this was all replastered. The stud was built. It's got a rather lovely original fireplace, which I've restored. It just needs the handle riveting back on. Oh, last job, missed a bit. So the back bedroom looks over the river in the other direction, and you can see the Bideford Big Bridge and St Mary's Church. So altogether, a rather gorgeous house. Let's put the ceiling pendants back up. And then next is clean and paint the hallway and the ginormous window.